Dear viewers, our U.S. citizenship interview is not just about 100 civics questions, English reading or writing test, or the vocabulary from your N-400 application. The moral character test is now more important than ever under the new USCIS policy. Officers can ask moral questions in many parts of your interview, and one wrong answer could cost you. That's why, in this mock interview, we've included lots of moral character questions throughout the process, so you can be fully prepared. Watch carefully from start to finish because every section matters. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Daniel Novak?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Jennifer, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Please follow me.
Place your belongings on the table and remain standing. I'll need you to swear before we begin the interview. Can you raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Please take a seat.
Thank you, officer.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm a little nervous, but I'm fine.
Don't worry. Just answer each question truthfully and clearly. You are under oath today, so everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Before we begin, I want you to know that during this interview, I will be asking you many questions, which will be about your background, organizations, and personal history. These questions will help us understand your moral character, which is a mandatory part of passing the U.S. citizenship exam. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a U.S. citizen. But you must answer with the whole truth, because you are under oath today. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Let's know your personal information. What is your date of birth?
July 12th, 1981.
And where were you born?
Prague, Czech Republic.
What is your current address?
1234 Roosevelt Avenue, Apartment 3B, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372.
How long have you lived at this address?
About 6 years.
Before that, where did you live?
I lived at 56 to 12 Broadway, 2nd floor, Queens, New York, for 4 years.
Can you provide the exact dates when you moved from that address to your current one?
Yes. I moved on March 15, 2019 to my current address.
What is your full legal name?
My full name is Daniel Novak.
Have you ever used any other names, including nicknames, maiden names, or names in your native language?
Yes. In my home country, my name was spelled Daniel Novakovich.
Thank you. Please spell that for me.
Daniel Novak.
Please spell your last name.
It's Novak.
All right, we'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen?
Obey the laws of the United States.
Who was president during World War I?
Woodrow Wilson.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We the people.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What did Susan B. Anthony do?
Fought for women's rights.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The Constitution.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Serve on a jury.
What is an amendment?
A change to the Constitution.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Great.
You have passed the civics test. Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever been on probation or parole?
No.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No. Never.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No. Never.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No. Never.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No. Never.
Have you ever been a member of any organization, association, or group?
Yes. I am a member of my local community and the Czech Republic Cultural Association in Queens.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No. Never.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No. Never.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
What is commit a crime?
Do something illegal.
Have you ever been arrested outside the United States?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No. Never.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
What is totalitarian party?
Party with total control, no freedom.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No. Never.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No. Never.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No. Never.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
Yes. I filed late in 2020 because I was traveling, but I corrected it and paid the penalty.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No. Never.
Have you ever failed to pay a fine or court-ordered fee?
No, I always paid my fines.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever been involved in a civil lawsuit?
Yes. In 2019, I was a witness in a small traffic accident case, but I was not a defendant.
Can you provide the details?
Sure. A car hit my parked vehicle on 45th Avenue, Queens. I submitted a report to the police and provided my insurance information.
Did you register with the Selective Service?
Yes, I registered in 2001.
Have you ever committed a crime for which you were not arrested?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever been involved with illegal drugs like selling or smuggling?
No, I have never sold or smuggled illegal drugs.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No, never.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is civilian direction?
Controlled by non-military.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes. I do.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
How many states does the United States have?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. The United States has 50 states. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What is the date of your marriage?
It's June 7th, 2006.
Can you please provide me your marriage certificate?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. How many times have you been married?
I have been married once.
Where did your marriage take place?
It took place in Prague, Czech Republic.
What is your spouse's date of birth?
Her date of birth is August 4th, 1986.
Has your spouse been married before?
No. She had never been married before.
What is your spouse's full name?
Her full name is Elena Novak.
What is your spouse's legal status now?
She is a U.S. citizen. We both applied for U.S. citizenship at the same time, but her naturalization process was much faster than mine.
That's pretty common. It happens to everyone, not just you. Do you have any children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter.
Please give me the names and ages of your children.
My son is Lucas Novak, 12 years old, and my daughter is Sophia Novak, 9 years old.
Are both of your children U.S. citizens?
Yes, both were born here in New York.
Please provide your son and daughter's birth certificates.
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you, Mr. Novak. Are they biological children with your current spouse?
Yes, they are.
Now, let's go over your employment and education history. What is your current job?
I work as an assistant manager at Fresh Market Grocery in Queens.
Please give me the full address of your workplace.
Yes, it is 87 to 1537th Avenue, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372.
When did you start working there?
I started in June 2019.
What are your main responsibilities at this job?
I manage the daily staff schedule, check inventory, and handle customer service issues.
Where did you work before this job?
I worked at Euro Fresh Market, also in Queens.
Please provide the full address and the dates of your employment.
It was 72-05 35th Avenue, Jackson Heights, New York, from March 2014 until May 2019.
What position did you have there?
I was a cashier and sometimes worked as a store clerk.
Okay. Let's move on to your education. Did you attend school in the United States?
Yes. I took English as a second language ESL classes at LaGuardia Community College.
Do you remember the dates?
Yes, from January 2013 to December 2014.
Did you attend school in your home country?
Yes. I completed a bachelor's degree in business administration from Charles University in Prague.
What year did you graduate?
I graduated in 2003.
Did you ever work using a different name, social security number, or without authorization before receiving your green card?
No, I never did.
Okay. Have you always filed your taxes while working in the United States?
Yes, I filed every year.
Can you confirm that you do not owe any back taxes to the federal or state government?
Yes. I do not owe any taxes.
Please show me your tax return.
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Let's talk about your travel history outside the United States since you became a permanent resident. How many trips have you taken outside the United States in the last 5 years?
I have taken 4 trips.
Okay. Did you visit any country after filing your citizenship application?
No.
When was your last trip?
My last trip was from July 2nd, 2022 to July 20th, 2022.
Where did you go?
I visited Prague, Czech Republic, for my sister's surgery.
Okay. Did you intend to abandon your permanent residence in the United States while you were outside of the U.S.?
No, I always intended to come back.
When you traveled abroad, did you ever use any passport other than your Czech Republic passport?
No, only my Czech Republic passport.
Did you ever face any immigration or customs issues while entering or leaving the U.S.?
No. Never.
Did you ever remain outside the U.S. for more than 1 year?
No.
Did you visit any country after filing your citizenship application?
No. Yes. I kept paying rent, utilities, and also maintained my checking account at Chase Bank.
Okay. Have you ever applied for a re-entry permit?
No.
During your trip and abroad, did you file U.S. taxes as a resident or as a non-resident?
I filed as a resident.
Was any of the trip for more than 6 months?
Yes. My second trip was for more than 6 months.
Can you provide me dates of that trip?
The second trip was from January 5th, 2019 to August 20th, 2019.
And what was the reason of that long stay outside the USA?
My father became very ill, and I had to take care of him in Czech Republic.
Okay. When was your first trip?
The first trip was from March 10th, 2018 to May 20th, 2018.
Where did you go?
I went to Prague, Czech Republic, to visit my family.
How long did you stay?
A little more than 2 months.
Did you have any bills, bank accounts, or other ties that you kept active in the U.S. during your stay abroad? While you were abroad, did you keep your job in the United States?
No, I had to leave my job temporarily.
Did you maintain a home here in the U.S. during your stay abroad?
Yes. My wife and children stayed in our apartment in Queens.
Please provide the address of that apartment.
90 to 1534th Avenue, Apartment 3B, Jackson Heights, New York.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer?
Yes. I have received 2 traffic tickets.
Have you ever had a license suspended or revoked?
No, my license is always valid.
What about the second ticket?
That was on March 10, 2021.
Where did this happen?
In Queens, New York, on 108th Street.
What was the reason for the citation?
I was using my phone while driving.
Did you attend traffic school or court for this?
Yes. I attended traffic school and paid the $150 fine.
Have you ever had a DUI or been charged with driving under the influence?
No. Never.
Let's talk about the first ticket. When did it happen?
It happened on June 12, 2017.
Where were you driving at that time?
I was on the Long Island Expressway near exit 34.
What was the violation?
I was driving over the speed limit, about 15 miles per hour over.
Did you go to court for this ticket?
Yes. I attended traffic court on July 5, 2017.
Did you pay the fine?
Yes. I paid $250.
Congratulations. You have passed your interview. After reviewing your moral character, background, and test results, we will prepare your case for final approval.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We will contact you with the date of your oath ceremony. It was my pleasure to conduct your naturalization interview. Do you have any questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
You may leave now.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.